broken, and on today's walk it's the grey mare's tail. So, I don't know if you can see that in the background. So this is one of Scotland's taller waterfalls at 60 metres. So definitely worth a good walk up to. Now, if you ever want to fly a drone around here, you'll need to get permission, which I've asked a very kind gentleman there from the National Trust, which is okay because it's before April the 1st, which is before the wild bird's nest. So you need to respect nature, respect the rules. So that's why we're going to get some beautiful drone shots, which is going to be great. So this is definitely a steeper climb, as you'll probably see. So one thing in this area is the valley is beautiful. When you come on these walks, you'll probably see some goats down there, some goats up there, so it's not uncommon to see goats and sheep in the area. And there's the waterfall over there, the grey mare's tail, which is fed by Loch Skeen at the top. And there you can see I'm being watched by one of them. Two of them now. What do you say? What are you doing filming us? So one thing I was also going to say, for a walk like this, you're probably going to want to have mountain boots again, because they've got a nice firm sole and it's very rocky, and you'll probably see there some of it's quite close to steep edges, so you're going to want as much support as you can get. So definitely worth getting a good set of boots for this. You can do it in your shoes, but just be careful if you are, because the last thing you want is to be added to a mountain rescue situation. And just look at that there. Oh. Just look at that. So as you'll see, as you get near the top, it's considerably flatter. So I can say, once you get up on the flatter bit, you think, oh, it won't be that much further. It won't be that much further. And this seems to keep on going. But that's not a problem. I am more than happy to keep going on such a beautiful day. So Once you see the top of that hill over there, that's actually getting pretty close. And it's just nice to be right beside the water now. So that's me now, pretty much at the top. I'm just continuing a wee bit further around for a minute, just to get away from the majority of people. I can also say there's a load of midges already starting to come out, but honestly the water up here is so clear. I don't know if you will see that. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at how clear that water is. It's amazing. So you can take this path all the way around. Most people sort of stop here and then turn back. You got the wee island out there with a tree on it, which is quite nice. So, no, I hope you have been enjoying this episode. And of course on this walk, it's not just the walk itself, it's like the scenery, like these boulders right here. I mean, beautiful shapes that are just added to the landscape. And just listen to how quiet it is up here. I can hardly believe how nice it is. It just seems to be getting better and better as the day goes on. And that's me returning back to the car now. It just seems to be getting brighter. I must admit, this bit, there's pretty much no wind either. So, yeah. Doesn't seem like I'm in Scotland at all. I assure you I am. I just goes to show it, when the weather's nice, it's hard to beat such beautiful locations. You know, it's hard to imagine how this would have looked if it was filled with glaciers. Because it is a U-shaped valley in the main bit, so it's bound to be carved out by that. So one thing I would advise people, if you do come here, it is £4 per vehicle. So if you can get a group of you in the car, that'll definitely help you cut down costs. However, if you look at the sign to the right, parking is free for members. So it's probably a very good idea to even look at buying a National Trust membership for Scotland, because they're not that expensive, and as the sign says, you've got over 100 places.